Hi everyone. So this is a template that you will receive if you buy the template from my SD shop. If you're coming from my SD shop, this is the way that you use the template. Okay, let's get started. So once you have the template open, what we want to do is select the background. Where we're going to click is Format, Change Picture from File. We're going to select a pattern, and then we're going to stretch it until we hit the ends. We're gonna line it up with these two. Okay, what we're gonna do is delete this one and then click this one, copy, and then paste it, and then just line it up, and then click this one, right click, then click send to the back. You should be at this step. Now we want to change the color of the gray, so we're gonna shift, click, 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 and click. After we have them all selected, we're going to click Format, Shape Fill, then we're going to go with whatever color we're working on. In this case, I decided to do black. And then we need to change this and this one. So again, Shift, click, click. Shape Fill, we want a nice purple or whatever color you're working on. This is just a sample. So now that we have the template going, all we have to do to insert images is click Insert, Pictures, and just choose the picture that you want. This is the one I chose. Make sure that it is transparent. In order to not have the white background. See, like, like so. If it has a white background, this is not gonna work, and you're gonna have to figure it out how to remove the background. So the way I would like it, the image is in front of text, so wrap text in front of text. So once that resize it to the size that you want it or need it, that's how big I want it. Click, copy, paste. And that's how we have it. And then we want to add the child's name or a name or a text. So the way to do that, at least how I do it, is insert text box, draw text box. You draw a nice text box. This is how we're gonna look for the font that we want. I want this one to match a little how the Rice Krispies font is. So I'm gonna type in Jasmine apostrophe S. The box, we don't want the white, so no outline, no fill. Okay, we're gonna select the text. We're gonna make it bigger, and then for the font, the Rice Krispie font that matches close is Futura, is Futura. You could Google it and you should be able to get this font. And then just rotate it a little. Copy, paste, and that gives you the font. You could remove the Rice Krispie and just do the font like this and type in Jasmine's Rice Krispie so it wouldn't look a little bit different. But that's pretty much it. If you would like to purchase this template, if not, if you do have Photoshop, I do have the Photoshop version. It's pretty much the same thing. If you're looking for that, all my templates are on my Etsy shop. at thingamaparty.etsy.com, or you could go to www.thingama.party and it should take you to my Etsy shop. Have a great one, guys.